Now, let me create my first sprint, guys. Very simple. Go here, click on sprints. And after that, guys, can you see set dates and iteration one? Click the button set date, guys. Now you can give any name to your sprint, guys. I'm giving sprint 1. And guys, this sprint will start on, for example, 7th of August. And it will, for example, it will close on some 21st or 18th of August. Just save and close. Now what? Okay. From 7 to 18, how many days are there, guys?
12 days.
Why only 10 working days?
Okay.
Because Saturday, Sunday, you can leave those days. So only in 10 working days, I need to finish this sprint. Now, in the same way, I can create another sprint. Just set dates, give another name to it, sprint 2. Sprint second should start from, for example, from 28 to 98, another 15 days. If you save and close, you can see currently I have 2 sprints. In the same way, guys, you can set as many sprints as you want for your project. Set a date. Yeah, from 18, 29, 70. If you look at here, guys, I have 3 sprints for this project. You can create more also, guys. Now, after you create the sprint, guys, if you come back to your work items, yes, here, okay, if you go to the backlogs, which, yeah, local, this Telangana news user story has 2 tasks. Okay, guys. Now, what you do, guys, to click on any user story. And guys, I have selected Telangana news user story. And just select the sprint. Now, guys, can you tell me what you have done, guys? Can anyone tell me what you have done? You have allocating this sprint, this particular user story to this sprint. What is the meaning of that, guys?
This task is given first priority in sprint 1. It is going to be happen.
Yeah, this Rahul and Sachin task need to be completed within the sprint 1, which starts on 7th of August, and it should be finished by 18th of August. Is it correct, guys? Now, let us do one. Yeah. Now, go back to the sprint. Yeah. If you look at here, guys, this is my sprint. It is there in my sprint 1. You can see. Sprint 1 has this user story. Now, just click here. Move to iteration and just click on this button current. Wait for a minute, guys. Refresh this. Guys, what has just happened?
2 new tasks.
No, the existing task only. This Telangana news has 2 tasks, correct? This Telangana news is the user story, correct, guys?
Yes.
This user story has 2 tasks, correct?
Yes.
Now, to complete the user story, do we need to complete all tasks which are there in the user story? Will you agree, guys?
Yes.
Now, okay. To complete this particular user story, guys, do we need to assign this task to one person?
Yes,
yes, correct. Yeah. Now, guys, if you look at here, I'm assigning it to this person. And this I'm assigning it to this person. And here, guys, you just click on the task. Once you have clicked, we have to give estimation, effort. For example, guys, to complete any task, the programmer will take some amount of time. Correct, guys? Now, here to complete this task, guys, he needs 30 hours. Just put 30, remaining 30, completed 0. That means we have just assigned this particular task to Venkat and he has to finish the task in 30 hours. Did you get this point?
Yes, one question. In real time, based upon which factor this number duration will be assigned?
Yeah, actually, guys, in real time, we never do this thing. There is a Scrum Master. It is his work. Do you know, guys? Actually, guys, let me, Very simple. Though the DevOps has given this board part, in real time, we never use this boards, guys, because to create these tasks, to assign these people, the creation of the sprints, it is a work of the Scrum Master who will do it. But if your company doesn't have a Scrum Master, then it will be given to a DevOps engineer. But nowadays, guys, we only spend our 98% of the time in the repos and build pipeline, in the pipelines. We only concern about these two things. Though the boards is there, if they want you to create everything in boards, you can do that. But nowadays, we never do it. Actually, I never done it, guys, because there is a separate role for it, and it is their work, and they have lot of tools for it. But guys, the provision is given in the DevOps account, so I'm explaining it. So don't worry if you don't understand anything, or in real time, guys, you may not do this, because to do this particular task, there is another role. It is work of the another person. But if your company doesn't have a Scrum Master, if they don't have any type of that role, they may ask you to create everything in the boards. So guys, I'm explaining it. If you look at here, guys, this particular task has 30 hours. And guys, currently, what is the state of this task? It is new, correct? New means we have just created this task, guys. Once you have assigned this task to Venkat, this is the person, what you have to do, you need to move this task from new to active. What is the meaning of that, guys?
So Venkat,
yeah,
started working.
Yeah. Now, okay, good. If I move this task from active, guys, first of all, tell me, can I move this task from active to resolved? If I try to move it, is it going into that resolved state, guys? No, correct?
Yeah.
Why it is not going? Because just see, guys. When you have given this task to Venkat, guys, what he has done, he has completed this task. So after the end of this task, what will he do? We need to move this task from active to closed, correct? Because he finished this task. When you are moving the task from active to the closed, guys, see the number. When you move this task to the close, it will be gone. 30 is gone. Why? What is the meaning of that?
So the hours that needed to complete is over. It is by now ready.
Ready. But guys, when it is ready, do we assign it to a tester? Once the code is ready, what will you do, guys?
Tester will test the code.
So you will create another task, and this is for whom? Test task, and you will assign another tester to this task, correct? And you will give some hours for him. You will give some hours, from 10 hours for him, guys. If you look at here, this person, guys, currently it is active. That means tester is testing it. Guys, when he is testing it, you have the task should not be in the closed. It should come back to the active, because still the programmer has finished the work. Is it actually completed?
No, it can need to be tested.
Yeah, the tester should give the nod. Now, guys, when she is testing it, she may find any bug in the task. Is it possible?
Yeah.
Bug in the Sachin task. What is the meaning of that, guys? There is an issue which has been find out by the tester, and tester will assign this task to whom?
Developer.
Same developer, the same DevOps Venkat. So what we need to do, we need to assign this, and you have to move this to active. Now, guys, currently developer need to work on this bug, correct?
Yes.
Now, guys, after he work on that bug, can he say, if after he resolved it, what should we do, guys? We need to move this task, this bug into resolved. Bug can go into resolved, but not task. Is it correct, guys? You will not resolve a task. You will resolve a bug. Correct, guys?
Yes.
Now, guys, once the bug is resolved, is it over? Can I move my task back to closed?
No, again, it need to be
Tested.
tested.
Once the programmer has written the code for that bug, there is a problem, he has resolved it. Again, tester will come and she will test it. When she is satisfied, then we can move the two tasks, this task to closed. Did you get me? The bug and task will be closed now. Did you get my point, guys?
Yes.
Now, guys, here you can actually create task also. For example, I will create another new task for Saurav task. And you can assign it to some person. And you can directly mention the effort hours here, guys. Now, if you look at it, when I have assigned this, go back to the work items. It will be shown here. Can you see, guys? It will come just a minute. It will take 2 minutes, guys, but whatever the task which you have added, all the, can you see Saurav task is there, which we have just added it, correct? Guys, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, if you go back to the sprints again, guys, do you understand this picture? What are we doing here? Do you understand this? Are you all following?
Yes, following.
Yeah, good. Now, guys, yeah, this is about a sprint board, guys. You can do same thing. Guys, okay, if you go to the work items again, generally, guys, you need to add user stories to the sprints because user stories will have tasks, correct?
Yes.
Correct, guys?
Yes, yes.
Now, this user story Andhra news, can I assign this news to sprint 2?
Yes.
What is the meaning of this, guys? Andhra
So
news task will be resolved or will be completed in the next sprint, correct?
Yes.
Now that is all about sprints, guys. If you come back to the queries, guys, do you know what is the query?
Used to fetch something.
Yeah, query is a question, guys. I want that and this, correct?
Hmm.
Now, guys, just simply click on new query. You can see some methods are here, guys. Don't do anything. Just simply click the button run query. Guys, when you click the button run query, you can see all the work items which are there have been written, correct? This is the output of this query. Guys, what? Very simple, guys. Here, query is nothing but question. Okay, let me explain, guys. This is the default query. When you run this query, guys, I have seen this is the answer where all tasks have been displayed in the answer. Now, guys, just save the query and give a name to it, all query. Now, store in shared queries. Okay. Now, guys, click the button chart, new chart. If you look at here, guys, from all query chart, now I want assign to. When I click the button assign to and okay, yes, can you tell me what is happening here? Can you tell me what is this chart is all about? If you look at here, guys, it is telling there are 10 tasks in this project. Out of 10, 5 are blank. That means we never assign these to anyone. But there are 3 tasks which have been assigned to DevOps 𝐏𝐿𝐴 𝐿𝐴, correct?
Yes.
There is one task which has been assigned to 𝐿𝐴 𝐿𝐴, and there's another task which has been assigned to 𝐏𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐿, correct, guys?
Yes.
That means what we have just done, guys. Let me create another query. This time, I don't select assign to, I'll select state. Now, guys, can you tell me what is this particular chart? Can you tell me?
The status of that particular job.
Yeah.
Whether it is new job or currently going on or completed.
If you look at here, guys, there are total 10 tasks are there. Out of 10, 7 are new. What is the meaning of new? No one started the task. 2 are in closed, 1 is in active, correct? Guys, correct. Are you following it? What am I doing?
Yes.
We are uploading some of the real-time project videos of Azure DevOps and Admin on our YouTube channel. To complete all the projects, click the link in the description for this course. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.